Alright, welcome to another video. It's been a long time. Very long time. Very long time. Anyways, I got this iPod. It's a friend's. I forgot to rotate the camera. Well, now the logo is upside down, but you know what? That's okay, because this is my right, and this is my left, and it's the opposite for you. Anyways, I got this iPod from a friend. It's broken. Battery's flat. Where's the cable? Hopefully you guys can see it. Yup. Low battery. Doesn't work. Need to replace the battery and such. I'm going to pull up the iFixit guide so then I know what I'm doing, because I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. Alright, I have the iFixit guide pulled up, and the first thing it says is to open the iPod, and I already did. Then you want to take out the battery. Here's a tool. I got this with the repair kit because I bought it from Elite Obsolete. Go check out his stuff. And the text is backwards. Oh, come on. There we go. Disconnect the battery. Flat battery. That didn't even go much of anywhere. The bumpers are missing. There we go, the broken ribbon cable. Don't need that anymore. Didn't even do a good throw for the camera. Now we gotta remove the 3 screws on the side. Alright, got all that out. Now it's time to reassemble the iPod with the new frame. Good as new. Like no one's ever been in there. Perfect. Putting the screws back in. Alright, now time for the new back plate. Yeah! Alright, now we're gonna put in the new battery. Wait, that's the old battery. New battery. I said it at the beginning, but go check him out if you want to mod your iPod. Elite Obsolete. His logo is backwards, but he's got good stuff. I think it's a he, hopefully. Anyways, we got the new battery. There we go, just gotta make the thing all the way back up. There we go. Now, I say we turn it on. I do have a firewire cable, but I don't have anything to plug this into. So, no super juice. Guess we're just gonna sit here and wait for it to charge. Be right back. Alright, it's back up. What? It's not working, but you can see the screen is on it. Oh, wait. It's locked. Yeah, it's working. Whose iPod was this? Colton's iPod. 110 songs. Let's see if we can find that notes message. Yeah, we found them. Enjoy your new iPod. It's gonna be quiet. Yeah, good iPod.txt. Focus. Now let's play a game. I say we play a game. Shall we play some brick? I say we play a quick game of brick. Oh yeah, good old brick. Yeah, brick. I don't even know if the camera can see this. I'm just paying attention to the game. Oh man, I gotta finish this game of brick. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. My life-threatening tumor can wait. I need to play this game of brick. Oh man, I lost. Parachute. Oh, I remember this. I had an iPod mini with this game. Hey, get on out of here. Come on. I suck at this game. This man's gonna land. Oh man, that was terrible. Let's play some good old solitaire. Alright, that's enough solitaire. Thanks all for watching, and see you guys next time.